if someone of you some from the participants want to share your views of the FDP and want to say something, I want to put it open to the participants to share your views, to provide the feedback verbally here also on the platform. And you have compulsorily have to do all of you through your participant login also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Mr. Gurpreet Singh, kindly introduce yourself and uh, whatever you like to share, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, respected organizers and participants from Pan India. I'm Dr. Gurpreet Singh, Associate Professor, Computer Science, Chandigarh University, Mohali, Punjab. So this is my first Atal FDP, which I have attended in this season. Earlier, prior to that, I had done with NIT Srinagar. So the best part of this NIT is the ma'am resource persons. So your resource persons were, very renowned from their spheres, from their domains, and their delivery was such that we were stick to our chairs, and we never felt that this is only one-way communication. The content which they have delivered, certainly myself, who is from the cloud computing background, who was first into this thing semantics, have understood the little bit fundamentals of it. And when I was just going through your quiz questions, actually what we have learned in the 14 sessions, I can simply make out ki, if I remember, this question is from that session and this question is from by this. So it, this FTP has really enhanced my knowledge to a next level, and I'm taking this area now for my little bit interest. I'll study few papers in it, and I feel this area is very interesting. And yesterday night I was googling about more into this thing, so I came across philosophical aspect also. Few readings from the Aristotle also. So thank you, ma'am. And as far as your organizing in concerned, wonderful, ma'am. You were very active on the Sunday also. My wife was sitting next to me and she said, "Ma'am is in the office only." Mega, this is the dedication which shows that NIT Kurukshetra, which is known for its excellence in this area, have such a wonderful
Hello,
dedicated
ma'am.
faculty. And we are very thankful to you, ma'am. You have made our last 5 days very productive and effective also. And I will convey this thing to my peers also, and we'll be looking forward for new FTP from you, and I'll be your permanent this thing attendee. So I really like the we as a participant never felt that we are lost in the FTP. It was well organized. Resource persons were coming prior to our. So I used to come 10 to 15 minutes earlier, but sometimes I have shown very senior resource persons are already there. So it has given us, one thing more, that we should be all little bit more time going by the, status of the resource. Wonderfully executed, ma'am. Best of luck for your future endeavors. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Okay. Yeah. Please go ahead, Dr. Prasanthi.
Hello, ma'am. Can I say something?
Yeah, Mr. Ashwin, please go ahead.
Ma'am, I recently completed my PhD from Charotar University at Gujarat under the same domain of semantic web. I work on ontology integration with the reasoning, and I spent around 6 years to study this topic, including my contribution in this field. But really, as Mr. Gurpreet shared with us, the resource person is very great. They have shared each and everything in detail. So after completion of PhD also, I found that there are so many things in this field that should be revised by me. It give me like detailed explanation about each and every concept of knowledge graph and the application of semantic web. So it will help me to guide my future research scholar in this particular field. So very nice of you, ma'am. Thank you for arranging such kind of session for us. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Mr. Ashwin.
Thank you.
Mr. Praveen is there.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Praveen Kumar from Andhra Pradesh, Vigyan University. I'm working as an assistant professor. I'm really immense pleasure to be part of this FDP, ma'am. Really, the first credit goes to you only, madam. So you are the awesome lady. Okay, so you have handled the way in a beautiful manner, and the way you have brought the resource persons is a great, ma'am. So the people have very beautifully explained the concepts. Okay, so with cautiously and have taken questions from the participants, have explained they have given their inputs to that one. So this is a wonderful, ma'am. Really very much thank you for the organizers of this FDP and for you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Praveen, for speaking such nice words. Actually, I was to try my best, and I did it. I tried my best to pick up the experts from. Actually, I had a boundary that I have to pick the experts only from India, and I had very hard time finding experts who are really working in semantic intelligence and are utilizing the semantic technologies. But yes, as I told in during INOG also, this is the second FDP of its type that I have conducted, and in the previous FDP I had only 2 experts. So in this FDP I am able to bring 11 people from outside. I am really happy for that, and I am okay. Yes, my participants have really taken something. So yeah, we can take 2 to 3 feedbacks more, and then we'll go ahead for the meditation session.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Gerard Deepak from NIT Trichy. I'm a research scholar there.
Hello, Gerard.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the FDP on semantic intelligence was really good, very well organized, and experts from every part of the country, especially from the top institutes like the IIT and IIITs have come. And moreover, the previous 5-day FDP, which was conducted, was in 2016 on semantic web. After that, I think you are the only one who's conducted this FDP, the whole of this country, and there are very few workshops.
Gerard, 2016, are you talking of VIT Vellore?
No, ma'am, 2016, I'm talking of NIT Karnataka, ma'am, NIT Ki Surathkal.
Okay.
So they are the one who, Sven groups had come. So I think semantic web FDPs have to be conducted because the number of FDPs on machine learning and deep learning and other areas of AI is quite common. But in semantic intelligence, I think it was really
in semantic web. Each resource is unique.
Yes, ma'am, and it was really put well. And I think we had the best speakers from the country. Thank you, ma'am, for taking this initiative. And you were also really dynamic and energetic in putting this
semantic
together.
Web, each resource is uniquely identified by.
Yeah, thank you. This is Dr. Prasanthi speaking something. No, only the mic is unmuted.